Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use Telegram voice chat for gaming. Using Telegram voice chat for gaming is a simple way to communicate with your friends in real time while playing. It allows you to stay connected through clear audio without needing additional voice chat software. And here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Telegram voice chat for gaming. First is to download and install the Telegram app. Make sure you have the latest version from the Google Play, App Store, or official website. Sign in using your mobile number and verify with an OTP code. Create a group chat for your gaming squad. Tap the message icon in the bottom right, then tap New Group. Select your friends by tapping them, then tap the arrow. And name your group chat. Example is Valorant Squad or CODM Team, etc. Tap the check button. Set proper group permissions by going to the group info, tap the pencil icon, then go to permissions, and make sure members are allowed to use voice chat. If there's an option, then tap the check mark. Now go back to the chat section. Start a voice chat. Open the group, tap the group name, select video chat, choose your group name, then tap Start Video Chat. Invite players to join. Tap Invite Members so your teammates can enter the voice chat. Use Push to Talk. Enable Push to Talk by holding the unmute button if you don't want background noise while gaming. And make sure your mic is enabled and working properly before entering the match. Use headphones for better clarity. This reduces echo and improves communication quality. Minimize Telegram while gaming. Telegram voice chat works in the background so you can open your game and still talk. You can do this by enabling the video chat overlay. Tap on this option, then tap Enable. Find Telegram, tap on it, and toggle it on. Now, open the multiplayer game together with your squad. Check the internet connection and make sure to use the stable Wi-Fi or strong mobile data for smoother voice communication. Mute when not speaking. Tap the mic button to mute yourself during intense game moments. End the voice chat after gaming. Once finished, tap the floating icon, then tap Leave or End voice chat to close the session. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.